Hey everyone! If you've ever walked into a room and thought, why does it still smell like cooking or pets? Well, that's exactly why I tried out the Blueair Blue Signature Air Purifier. It promises to tackle not just dust and allergens, but odors and gases too, and I wanted to see if it really delivers. When I first set it up, I was impressed by how sleek it looks. It has a modern, furniture-like design. The top is flat, so you can even use it as a side table, as long as you don't overload it. It pulls in air from all around, then uses a multi-stage system to capture tiny particles while breaking down odors rather than just covering them up. The smart features are also handy: auto mode, app control, and a motion-activated display that lights up when you approach. In my use, cooking smells and pet odors faded noticeably faster than with my old purifier. The air felt fresher, and the noise level was very tolerable even on higher settings. It's not completely silent, but definitely quiet enough for everyday use. Of course, it's not perfect. First, it's on the pricey side, so it's an investment. The filter replacements aren't cheap either, and if you let them go too long, they can start to smell. Some people have also mentioned that replacement filters aren't always the easiest to find. And while it does a great job with odors and particles, it doesn't have any extra germ-killing features like UV. So what's my verdict? If you want a high-end air purifier that looks good in your home and really shines when it comes to odor removal, this one is definitely worth considering. Just keep in mind the cost of ownership. I'd give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description.